If you ever get the P0325 code on the 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord and are wondering where the knock sensor location is on this engine, you are in luck. Today, I'm going to show you exactly where to look on this little 2.3 liter engine. Let's get to business. The knock sensor location on the 6th generation inline-4 Honda Accord engine is directly below the fuel rail, below the intake manifold, bolted directly to the back of the engine block facing the firewall, and just above the engine oil filter. Due to this location, it's almost impossible to access it when looking at an open hood facing the engine directly. Instead, you must access it from underneath the engine bay, looking forward to the radiator from the firewall end. To access the sensor, jack up the vehicle and support it with jack stands, or if you are slim as I am, park the vehicle on level ground and simply crawl under. The sensor will be easily identified by its solid metal look with a single wire strand running through it. To remove it on this vehicle, you need a 24mm deep socket, or if it's an aftermarket arrangement like this one, a 27mm thin wall deep socket. If you don't know what a knock sensor is, consider watching the video immediately after this one. It beautifully explains what the knock sensor is and importantly, shares why your engine needs one. Why pay a mechanic when you can simply do it yourself? This isn't goodbye. Catch ya on the next one.